Hello, my good friends from the internet. Welcome to another video. Today, we are going to see how to download virtually any SSRS report from D365 Finance and Operation. Actually, I discovered this accidentally while I was working on my MCP server. So I was searching the data entities, then I stumble upon this data entity SSRS Finance Operation Copilots, and it has this action run copilot report, and it intrigued me what's going on. And when I looked into this, I found out you can run any SSRS report controller with the parameters and you can download your report. So we will look into this a little bit, and then we will see a demo as well. Then at the end I will also show you how you can use that search data entity tool to figure out something amazing. I have this D365 Finance and Operation client demo repository. It contains all the contents and one of the prompts, which is download SSRS prompt.md, and it contains the instruction for the AI assistant to download the SSRS report. For now, I have specified 5 controllers and their tables, field names, some description about them, so we can use those. Then we have specified, okay, you need this information to do this work. Okay, so let's do example. I already have this asked it to give me some of the customer invoices. For this customer we have some, and let's pick one. We will ask it to download that. So I will ask download SSRS, download customer invoice from USMS, and let's see. So with that, it will figure out the parameters and it will try to call that OData action and download the report. So it did that. We can see it figure out the parameters and the controller it need to do, and we got our response back. And this value is base64 encoded string, which is a PDF file, and it's a huge. So one thing, this is huge. If we ask it to ask LLM to do something about it, it will take significant amount of tokens. So one thing I put in the repository is that we can copy this and go to over here under reports. I have this a.json file. This is just a file. Paste those contents over here, and then we can run this script, which will convert this into PDF. That is convert base64. Yeah, this one. So it did I need to save this actually. So with that, we have our new document, and if I go and it says 648, so 648, we will go to reveal and then double click. We have our PDF. So it is very good, and we did not write a single line of X++ code. Thank you, Microsoft, they did it. We are using our MCP server. Okay, so in this repository I have this full script which will do end to end, and you need to specify a couple of parameters. You need to specify legal entity. This is just for invoice. You can extend it for other scenarios, and your URL where you want to put this in the output folder. that's that. It is using the credential it's using is a user authentication. I covered in the previous video. You should look into that, because it's if you use that, then you can use AZRest to actually call your functions on this and script that you can do with this. So I will include this in the show notes as well. And these prompts are available in the GitHub, and I will put those in the show notes. Okay, let's now replicate the way I have figured out this Copilot action. So I was searching for data entities, and I asked search Copilot or AI data entities. So I gave this, and then it tried to, I think when I first time did, I was just gave it to give me AI data entities. So it is, so we can see first time it's calling the Copilot, and it found some data entities. 50 is the limit, and it got some back. Now we will it trying with AI, and it's getting some of those as well, with the limit of 50. So it came back with these data entities. We have contact for AI, and postal addresses for AI. There are a set of data entities that Microsoft designed for AI. So this Copilot, I think they are using this with the copilots they are building, but with this MCP-Server, they are available for us to use any other data entity you have developed for your custom scenarios. And if it's available on OData, it's available to the MCP-Server as well. This is the data entity that I saw. Then I did not stop there. I asked it to search Copilot or AI actions, because we have actions. So let's see if what it brings back. Perfect. I found several the Copilot and AI related actions. So we can see with this, it caught my eye, and then I started looking into that. You probably already know about this. If you do, please comment and let me know. And with that, I would love to hear your feedback, and I think this is a good tool. And let me know if we should add this as a tool in the MCP-Server in the video comments. See you in the next one. Thank you.